Hello everyone, and I messed up big time. I forgot to press the freaking record button. Ain't that great? Guys, we're currently at the Church of Vows, and my stupid idiot brain forgot to press the record button. And we took down two bosses till now. I was talking to freaking Big Mr. Tortoise here. Then I realized, wait, I'm not even recording. I should have checked it before. I messed up one big time. But yeah, I didn't count the number of times that I believe I died 4 times to the Dragon King Soldier, which had, which was one of the highlight bosses for me. Like, he's one of the hardest bosses for me. So, and I took down the Tibia Mariner, and it's about somewhere right over here, somewhere, like right here, right here. Took down the Tibia, took down the, answer river well, did all that. I apologies, and I upgraded my broadsword. It's the Great Knight sword. I think I'm really sorry. I messed up big time. It's my fault. So yeah, we can continue on for now. Stupid it. So yeah, I messed up big time. Don't worry. I'll try to make sure this doesn't happen again. The golden sewing needle and golden tailoring tools. That was an accident. I didn't mean to do that. But yeah. Anyways, there is another reason we are here. It's because there is a boss here, in fact. So we'll have to pass some time till nightfall. There he is! Still beating the shit out of me. Oh! No damage to the angels against the military hunter. Freaking Darth Vader. Showed up in the Church of Fire. Alright, Celestial Warrior isn't doing shit. Oh. Ouch. Oh, made it. Did not made it. Better heal. Haha, 2 attempts only. Stupid. Woo. Meat Peddler's Bell Bearing. I found it. I didn't find it. I searched it up. I was at the right location. But damn, I hate these freaking illusionary balls. And I even hate the ball that we are about to fight. They're stupid. Oh. Ah. Oh, go careful, careful. Jump attack is not exactly the most friendliest ability here. Got it. Got it. It's all in. It's all good. You got it. My god. Such an annoying boss. These are freaking scary. They spawn out of nowhere sometimes. Oh my god. Okay. Frozen needle. Thank you for that. Definitely needed a freaking frozen needle. Where where did it spawn? Yep. Speaking of the thing, there it is. A freaking death right bird. Yep, these are much tougher. Oh no, my controller disconnected. Oh. I'm gonna kill you, son of a shit. Oh no. Oh, okay. He's flying. Whoa! He's flying. Oh my god. Okay, gotta heal. Okay. Wait, what? I can't see shit. What? What? Oh, shoot. Of course you do. This is stupid. Why are you not?
I'm not. Ah, finally! Come here, you piece of shit. Why doesn't it do that overpowered move? There it is. Used it. Wonderful, Lauren. Wonderful. Okay. Doing better than most runs. Why are you almost there? And how can you curve your shit? Freaking homing missile. Got him! Got him! Got him! Shit! Absolute gold! Ah. Okay, so we're here. Okay. Whatever happened there, at the end there. Man, I do not want to go through that again. Oh, you need 2 of them? Oh my god. 2 stone sword keys. Man, that boss, I was like, done. Okay, we leveled up, we're ready to go. Get rats. Stop fucking chewing on shit, man. Oh my god, that boss is freaking haunting me now. Man, that Dragonkin boss I knew was hard. This was just pain. The one in freaking Mount Top of the Giants, that's even worse one. What? That much damage? That did a lot of damage. Way more than I expected. You cannot hit me with a book. How dare you? Oh wait. Oh, I know these. I remember them from the freaking Halleck tree. These giant freaking bonzoos. At least I can kill this one. I've never killed them in the Halleck tree. Way too scared to kill them. Okay, there's the boss. Is that it? That's the entirety of the... Wait, no way. Stone sword key, thank you very much. I used them, so giving back is a very helpful thing indeed. 2 of them. We didn't even earn it back, we just got nothing. We got nothing. Just like real life, you don't get anything. Oh, what am I saying? Wait, I do have a crossbow. That reminds me. Where's the crossbow? Crossbow. There it is. I can go at this for. Oh. I can. Oh wait, you use a freaking. Wait, how do I swap? What the hell? Why did you? Why did you use these? You have these. Why did you use those? Why are you? The freaking. I hate the freaking targeting. Okay, I'm heavy loading. I'm heavy loading. Okay. Can just use the sword for a while, please. Thank you. Got him. God damn. That took long. Longer than I expected. Oh wait. There. Oof. What's in the chest? That freaking. Oh, okay. Fine. These stupid heads. Time to break, y'all. It's a freaking chain. One down. Another to go. That was close. Got him. No. Absolutely. Ah, so that's a lot of bosses for now. Wait, let me just mark them down with my thingy. So that's that. I am at a weird place, to say the least. I'm next to the Earth Tree, apparently. There's something here. What do you have? Terra Magica. Interesting. And I'm a long way, quite a long way away from the other ones. I'm quite above. Quite on top. There's the Earth Tree. Okay. Time to continue with the story from the wild because this is actually an important part. Okay, we gotta be careful not to attract any attention. We gotta go straight to the place we have to. Otherwise we are dead. We're basically dead. Whoa, whoa! That is why I would like to avoid such things that scared the living shit out of me. And we made it. We are now safe. That scared. Oh my god. We made it. Nothing to be afraid of. What's in there? What's in there? Fucking splitting stone. I gotta go to the Gale tunnel, I believe, to get get splitting stone 3 and 4, I believe. We'll have to do that. Okay. You people, get on my head. Thank you for dying. Got him. Now, we can go to one location. Yeah, it's there, right there. There's actually something important there. Quite important. You don't stand a chance against me, boy. Oh, wait, more than one thing. Randomly. Okay, we made it to this place. Now, there should be a way down. Yep, it's right. Okay. Can I descend? Thank you. Sweep. Made it. Now it's time to reveal thyself. The sword of night and flame. Ugh, I haven't used this weapon ever, and I don't think I can because I need 24 intelligence and 24 faith. Ugh. Open this. Yeah, I think I'm good for now. I'll just teleport to the other side of this. So I forgot to do one thing here, which was actually to speak to Roger on Wait, because he does have some dialogue for us. Right here.
Always good to see you safe. So, what do you need? This is a black knife print. I can scarcely believe you managed to get your hands on this. You recall our conversation about the Night of the Black Knives, yes? They say the assassins who carried out the deed were scions of the Eternal City. A group entirely of women, arrayed in armor of silver under cloaks which fooled the eye. The knives they wielded, though, were imparted with the power of the Rune of Death through sinister rite. Please, I beg of you, lend me the knife print for a time. I'd love nothing more than to tease out its secrets. Though only a fragment, a very specific ritual had to be performed to impart the power of the Rune of Death. Traces of the one who performed the rite are sure to remain in the imprint. Half my body has been suffused with death. I'm certain it will help me see.
Handed over the black knife print.
Ah, hello. I was hoping to see you. My examination is complete. Here's the knife print back, with my thanks.
Thank you.
Now I have a fairly good idea who performed the rite upon the blade. The person who orchestrated the Night of the Black Knives. Lunar Princess Rani. One of the children born to King Consort Radigan and his first wife, Ronala. Demigod and sister to General Radahn and Praetor Rykard. Hers was the name I discovered in the imprint. Truly, you have my thanks. But if I might be so bold, I would like to ask something more of you. If Rani truly is the one who plotted that fateful night, then she should bear the curse mark of destined death somewhere upon her flesh. I would like you to procure it for me. And then all will be laid bare. I will have the answers I have sought for so long.
Mark of destined death. I can't speak.
I have some idea of Rani's potential whereabouts. There's a manor to the north of the Academy of Rea Lucaria. It is the familial home of the Carian royals from whom Rani descends. There's been talk of the old royals' vassals gathering there in recent years. Rani's whereabouts since the shattering are a well-kept secret. She hasn't been seen even once. But I suspect she might have returned to the manor in which she was born.
Why do you want the curse?
I'm afraid there's something I must tell you. Do you know of those who live in death? The very notion of life in death defies the Golden Order. By Dee's account, these defiled fiends must be expunged. But truth be told, I seek the curse mark to save them. You may find this peculiar, but I discovered something in my examination of the Night of the Black Knives. These souls have committed no offense. They have every right to life, only they happen to touch upon a flaw in the Order.
About D.
Yes, indeed. If Dee knew what drives me now, he would surely boil over with rage. Or perhaps he would even feel some pity. But no need to fret. None of that will come to pass. I can tell a good lie when I need to.
About Roger.
I heard that you lent a hand to dear Roger. He seemed positively elated. He must be possessed of great mental fortitude. It anchors his will and sustains him. Despite his grievous wounds, you truly are a champion. To dear Roger, and myself too.
Sacrifice.
Then good day to you, my dear.
Okay, since there's no point in fighting these enemies, I'm gonna skip them. I am not a champion. We shall move forward. Submit. Powers. Matter. We have made it ahead. I'm gonna take down these roots. These tanks. They're from the north, I believe. Up north. Looking for the golden seed. I wonder if I can push him off. Too late. You damn sorcerers. Whoa, whoa, I got stuck. Hey, giant, kill it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Proud of you, giant, proud of you. Giant, you're so incompetent. Okay. Yep, yep.
Okay, I. Like that. Good. Got him. Got him. Troll Knight Sword. How the hell can I wield a sword that big? Anything. You there. Oh, I remember you. Right here. Okay. Time for boss. Time to get ready. Gotta lock in. 5 blocks. Let's go, Reda. Wait, why did I hit? Are you first? Now a U number of spells. Yep. Okay. Whoa. That was way too much. Got it. Easy clap, boy. Loretta's great bro and Loretta's slash. Go. The Three Sisters. I think there's a legendary weapon in one of these towers. We have to look for that eventually. Now there's no point in fighting this dragon right here because she doesn't fly away. Yep. Like, oh my god. Like, we have to fight her later. On its quest. I mean, we can take her. Like, I don't think the ceiling is correct. I believe. Take it in the eye. Take it in the eye. Look, you can't even hit her. Yep. This is what happens. Hello there. Can I stand behind? Yeah. Right there. Right there. Looking at my future wife. Because why not? Ah.
Oh, again we cross paths. I believe I said my name was Rena when last we met. It pleaseth me to see Torrent hale and hearty, but tarnished. What business hast thou here? I have no memory of inking thee an invitation.
You must be Ronnie the Witch, behind the Night of the Black Thieves.
I see. Quite the sleuth, aren't we? Indeed, I am the witch, Rani. I stole a fragment of the Rune of Death and used it to forge the god-slaying black knives through fearsome rite. I did it all. But sadly for thee, the curse mark thou seekest is not to be found here. I have slain the body I was born into and cast it away. And it is upon that flesh the curse mark is carved.
Where did the body go?
And why should I reveal that to thee? I performed the act not to bury the past, nor in shame of the deed. But all the same, thy begging compels me not a jot. The curse mark thou seekest is not here. That is all I will say. Now, be gone.
Hey, you're not gonna...
The curse mark now.
I gotta go to Roger now. Ronnie cast off her curse mark.
I see. When Rani shed her flesh, she shed the curse mark too. You know, not everyone would trust such a tale. But if she in her current form is nothing more than the living doll you profess, then perhaps it's true after all. Forgive the bluntness of the notion, but how would you like to become one of Rani's vassals? Only in order to get what we want, of course. The location of the body which bore the curse mark, which right now I haven't the faintest. And the best way to find out is for you to enter her service and take a poke around on the sly. I know you've got what it takes. Not only are you a superb fighter, but people want to trust you. I've seen it.
Man, you do. Larry.
Can you become Rani's vassal to advance our agenda? While in her service, you'll be able to take a poke around on the sly and determine the location of her original body that bears the curse mark. I realize that I'm asking you to put yourself in grave danger, but I know you've got what it takes. Quite possibly the only one, in fact.
Hello, Ronnie, I'm back.
The curse mark now.
Okay. I wish to serve.
Oh, is that so? Thou wouldst render me aid. Is that thy proposal? Affording thyself opportunity to grope about for the curse mark's location, no doubt. Very well. There's nothing wrong with a well-laid scheme. What's more, if my past and past wounds beckon to thee, I am curious enough to see what thy destiny portends. I'll allow it. Enter my service, and good hunting to thee.
Okay.
Good. Then I ask we proceed with haste. There is, in my service, a half-wolven warrior by the name of Blythe. I would have thee join him in searching for the hidden treasure of Nokron, the Eternal City. I have called for Blythe to greet thee below. Take from him the particulars. And there wilt thou find Iji, my war counselor, and Salavis, preceptor in the sorcerous arts also. Heed not their peculiarities. Feel secure in gaining from them what advantage thou canst. I am sure the others will be doing just the same.
Hello there, E.G.
Oh, so you were the one. Lady Rani has explained everything. Again, I am Iji, the Karian royal family's dedicated blacksmith and Lady Rani's war counselor. I'm told that you are searching for Nokron with Blythe. I will give you whatever guidance I can, and pray for your success.
There he is. My man Blythe.
Long time, friend. Blythe. If you've forgotten, glad to have you in the service of Mistress Rani. Well, getting right to business. I'm still in Limgrave. The eternal city of Nokron lies somewhere at the bottom of this land. I'm planning to go below through the well in the Mistwood. See if I can't find the road to Nokron from there.
Okay. Understood. And now this stupid head.
I see. You must be Rani's new hireling. Yes, I've heard all about you. I am Selvis, preceptor in the sorcerous arts. I don't know what it is the mistress sees in a provincial tarnished like you, but since we have the misfortune of serving the same lady, I ask that you kindly try not to drag us all down with you.
Shithead. Absolute shithead. Should I talk to him?
I reside in another tower close by. Come and pay me a visit. Should you wish to be of actual service to Mistress Rani. If it were up to me, I wouldn't waste my time on the likes of you. But who am I to stand against the wishes of my lady?
My apologies for the misleading words of warning. I never imagined that an audience, let alone service to Lady Rani, was in your fate. I, for one, should have seen it, but I did not. Do forgive me, my fellow. Let us give all that we can of ourselves, together, for Lady Rani.
Nah, it's all good, man. You chill.
Allow me to forewarn thee. I shall soon enter my slumber, and it will be some time before I wake. This doll's body is not without its hindrances. Still, I have high hopes for thee. I look forward to the good news when I arise.
No! She fell asleep. No, wait, she hasn't fell asleep yet. There he is.
Well, you took me at my word. Did you not realize I was merely being polite? Oh, you provincials never cease to amaze. I suppose you're here now. Perhaps I'll give you something to do. I'd like you to find a woman called Nepheli to administer a potion. Even you can do that much, can't you? Good. Now I shall hand over the potion in question. Find Nepheli and ensure she drinks it. I expect glad tidings, and soon. I've no time for idle chit-chat. The only thing I will hear from you is a report of your task's completion. Are we understood? Then off you trot. I have enough on my plate.
Yeah, I have enough on my plate with you on it. Another test. A memory stone. Right here. Okay, so we have made it to the final boss of this episode actually, and the end of this episode because I don't have a lot of time. You know what, actually we do have to interact over there, so I will quickly do this. I also had to interact with Pedia, but I have to find him first. There's going to be another thing. For now we'll be taking on the Onyx Lord. He seems tough. Mainly his sorceries, but we'll get him. Why is the game lagging? Got him. Easy collapse, meteorite. That was easy. So this is the way. Made it. Now there should be some wooden planks. Oh god. The game's lagging a bit for me. I don't know if it's being recorded as well. It is indeed lagging. Ah, made it. Oh, we made it to the top. Spell-proof dried liver. Oh,
Oh, you? Sorry, Your Worship. I apologize for any offense given. I am Pidia, servant to the Carrion royal family. I am charged with maintaining these ghastly dolls.
uh-huh.
Ah, Your Worship, allow me to be of use. Other than the puppets, there are some very fine things up here in this storeroom. Why not pick something out before you go? But please, can you offer poor ill-starred Pythia a little something by way of compensation?
Okay. What all do you have? So let's do you have a larval too.
Always good to see you safe. So, what do you need? Maybe I should tell you. Lately, I feel I'm on the precipice of falling into a deep, fathomless slumber. And I have an inkling it could spell trouble for you somehow. So I just wanted to get the apology out of the way beforehand, since you're so scary and all.